Good day. My name is Christine May Opinia. I'm a system analyst, and my partner, a programmer, Steven Jason. The title of this is Web-Based Undergraduate Student Government Election Voting System. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. Introduction. Election is a formal process of appointing a person to a public office, of approving or rejecting a political initiative via vote. It is necessary to differentiate between the type and content of the election. Many countries conduct election in at least the formal sense, but the elections are not competitive in many. A computer-based voter registration station accesses the database to verify that the voter is registered. Online voting systems could be a software platform to assist that may manage your elections. Most online voting systems maintain and secure, bearing on the cybersecurity and resistance to cyber attacks. They also protect the trustworthiness of your vote to force the voters from having the ability to vote multiple times. So, sinasabi dito sa introduction that the online voting system could be a software platform to assist that may manage your elections and help easily to use, and provides the net registration form to the users to direct their vote online. They also protect the trustworthiness of your vote, Most online voting systems maintain and secure. Nowadays, social media may be the way for people and societies to stay linked while physically separated. Like in this situation of the pandemic. Ngayon, sa school natin, dahil sa pandemic, kaya tayo ngayon nag-i-stay sa bahay at gumagamit tayo ng through online para may pagpatuloy lang ang ating pagkaklase. So we adapt the online. Parang doon umiikot yung paggamit natin ng website para makipag-communicate sa teacher at sa mga estudyante. Then, this USG election, nagkakaroon pa rin tayo ng president, vice president, nakatulong sa ating paaralan. Sa ngayon. Then, next, USG Online Legal System Services to assist, save time, and stay within the house, and meet inside requirements and out-of-doors regulation, both administration needs. Next, the statement of the problem. Statement of the problem. The researchers aim to develop an online web-based undergraduate study government election system that can help students to vote candidates even when pandemic time. Especially the study intends to give a solution in terms. Number 1, the slow progress and long waiting use of manual voting. 2, the time consuming. 3, the space and location consuming. 4, the possible wrong counting votes and having a voting bias. Next, the general objective. The development of objective is to propose web-based USG election voting system into the current use of a manually voting system to easily monitor votes and prevent manipulations and prevent crowded areas. Especially, the study aimed to provide the following features in using web-based USG voting systems, such as to promote online web-based voting system, 2, to provide easily to use vote, 3, to use gadgets to vote online wherever they are, and 4, to provide direct counting after the save their voting and direct counts the votes. Next, the scope of the study. When you are fully enrolled, will you receive email or messages from the login information and password for the system. Second, admin can only see the total of votes for candidates. Then 3, only super admin can add, delete, and update the account of normal admin. And 4, automatically can see the total votes of per candidates. All logins on a single login page will be known on the page of voters, super admin, for normal admin, and can detect what user type can use. Then next, the limitation of the study. When you vote, you cannot log in again unless you have not saved it after you vote. Second, unable to create own account. Third, unable to access admin unless the super admin. Votes cannot add candidate according to free will. Next, admin cannot alter the votes of voter. Then, admin cannot add another admin. Only the super admin can add. Then, they will only have an account once they are enrolled. And the last is voters cannot see the total vote per candidate. They will only see it when the online voting is over. Next, the significance of the study. The object of the study is to develop a web-based USG election voting system in a form of website with online voting like capability to help students, user, to vote candidate, and admin to add, register a student, and for the candidate's election. These are admin. The system will help the admin to add, delete, and edit the candidates and send generate password for the student voter. Then, the super admin. The main access that system will help the super admin that can only add, delete, and edit the normal admin to allow access to the system. And the last is the voter. The system will help the voter to easily click the voter's candidate pick and save the data. Chapter 2. Conceptual Framework. Conceptual Framework. The input, process, output that can show the for guide of the study of research program approach. The diagram represents the flow of its existing system. It shows the capacity and limited process that can provide of the system. The input knowledge and requirements. The device with development, information, and database. Then, the software requirements. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and Texam to connect the database. Then the process is requirements gathering or planning, some research, analyze the data gathered. Then the designing, use flowchart diagram, data flow diagram, and activity diagram. The development process, use is coding and debugging, and maintenance and diagram. Next, the output is web-based undergraduate student government election voting system. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. This chapter explains the methods and procedures that are used in the study. It includes project design, project development, operation, and testing procedure, and the evaluation procedure. That can use is the Sashimi process model. The Sashimi process model was originated by Peter D. Grace in 1970. A phase can start before previews into the phase ends. The Sashimi process is most appropriate for medium-sized projects for which the communication between phases can be handled in an unprepared manner. The researcher will be used because this Sashimi software process is totally similar to the waterfall, except that the phases overlap to show the requirements can be completed until architecture at least partially explored before finish, and architecture. Then it can be completed until not finished. Module design is at least partially explored, and so on. Then next, the project design. This project design can view overview of your USG election voting system that shows the look of the entire system and how the different actors interact within the system. The primary actors involved in the system are the voter, normal admin, and the super admin. Voter student refers to the use website to vote online thereafter the announcing of admin. Normal admin can authorize to manage the content of the website that can use system to enlist their student of the voting system. And the last actor is super admin that can manage all of the system and who can only add and delete the normal admin to allow access the system. Some use case diagram to details and other details to normal admin, super admin, and the voter admin in document, like in docu. You can see the other case diagram. Then next, software development. The systems that can use to develop visual layout are use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for the website, and the XAMPP can provide a database for saving information and access, and PHP for script language for the server-side web development that uses for general purposes. The next, project development. The following step-by-step procedures were done during the fabrication of the system website. The next, hardware development. To create a design of USG election voting system, create the case diagram shown figure 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then create the flowchart diagram shown figure 7 and 8. You can see in the docu the other images.